Selanjutnya diberikan kepada Miss Miyako Uramoto sebagai ipar dari Dr. Koichi Ohashi, batch MPA. Baik, selanjutnya penyerahan tanda penghargaan Rektor Universitas Hasanuddin kepada penguji eksternal yang diwakili oleh Dr. Miyojo Tsukiko dipersilakan untuk maju ke depan.
Yang terhormat Bapak Rektor Profesor Dr. Insinyur Jamaluddin Jompa dan para wakil rektor, Bapak Dekan Visip Prof. Supri, Bapak Wali Kota atau yang diwakili oleh Pak Firman, promotor Profesor Supri, co-promotor Profesor Akmal Ibrahim dan Profesor Hasniati, penguji eksternal Profesor Katsutoshi Sakurai.
Baik, selanjutnya sidang terbuka ujian promosi Doktor Universitas Hasanuddin ditutup oleh Ketua Sidang.
Bapak Ibu yang saya hormati, sebelum saya tutup sidang ini, izinkan saya pertama, let me say in English, so maybe some of the participants can also understand. Tadi sudah banyak dalam bahasa Indonesia. First, I would like to congratulate you, Dr. Koichi Ohashi. We are so proud to have you here. I know you have faced so many challenges, but in bahasa Indonesia, you understand when we say tak seorang pun pelaut ulung lahir dari ombak yang tenang. So you have come through these big waves, and hopefully this will make you even stronger for the future. Congratulations also to your family and also your institution and your country. Having Dr. Koichi Ohashi is a Consul General who also spent his valuable time to study at Hasanuddin University with very diligent and very smart student. We are so not only proud but also grateful for your choosing us to be your alma mater for your PhD. Thanks to all the promoters and co-promoters and also examiners, Prof. Sukri, Prof. Akmal, Prof. Hasniati, and also of course Prof. Agnes, Prof. Yusuf, and special thanks for Professor Katsutoshi Sakurai.
And also from the Queensland University. Yes. And we have collaborated with the Queensland University for we call the double degree program. They study here for the 6th semester and continuing in Queensland University for 1.5 semester.
That's good, right?
So, and they got the 2 certificates.
2 certificates.
Yes. All in international relations. So,
Perhaps
we are very
welcome.
welcome. Sampai ketemu lagi.
Prof, can we take a picture, Prof?
Okay.